Kardom Karbi long live kelang ratun duan pinintum Karbi long live team pen non mat ke no theng pi aklam long sidolo pulo telitum just met non Kechengsi 51st Karbi Youth Festival of Harman alang litum Karbi Anglong Adventurous Motor Club ahin pensi alang litum patik pi ponlo just met ecotourism lapen women empowerment lapen la litum culture puthak si alang litum promote ponji phansi alang litum in collaboration with IFRA lapen Nagaland alang Arunachal Pradesh pen doji lapen no amai pi dolo elitum kaching honai ning kachithanai alang li recently IFRA long stami alang li join no nabang pilo Karbi pen case is the only Karbi woman ever done this ang alang li bang chugedam tang stami alang li Hornbill festival long stami alang li labang so vintage car long stami alang li rally long stami participate dun lo Karbi pi alang li si Japon lo di tiranga rally no recently tiranga rally long stami alang si participate dun lo alang li teams dolo alang li first of all welcome to our channel and tell us more about these details.
Kardom everyone. Today for the first time Karbi Anglong Adventures Motors Club is going to host a car rally for the first time ever in Karbi Anglong. So we got a whole team, especially like our team, like we wanted to promote about our culture and about our ecotourism. So we just recently like we have formed this Karbi Anglong Adventures Motors Club. Our president is I myself, and then the secretary is Sengkan Ronghang, and financer also is Sengdon Ronghang. So we all club together. So our main objective is that like to promote about our culture and ecotourism. So now our festival is just
5 more days.
Yeah, 5 more days to go. So like we just took an initiative with all my groups here, with all the beautiful ladies we are here. So we just took an initiative like let's promote about our culture for the festival, so that in coming days we can take our culture and our tourism in different parts of the world also. So we just thought of that and we just club it together.
Who will be coming to join?
Yeah. For this festival, like we have invited from Arunachal. We have got, since I'm a member of IFRA team, IFRA means like International Friendship Car Rally Association. So since I'm a member from them, so I have invited from Itanagar, 5 vehicles are participating, and from Nagaland also, 3 vehicles are taking part. And the rest are, we have Karbi Anglong women's are there, and even the men's are all invited. So just we wanted to encourage about women empowerment also. One thing is that Karbi Anglong Adventures Motors Club is going to host a short distance car rally from Tararangso Festival Ground to Bheloghat Paklangso Aklam. So we are in collaborations with Karbi Anglong Tourism, and we have spoke to our EM Ritesh Singh. So he also like he is going to help us for Karbi Anglong Adventures Motors Club, and then our registration fees will be 3,000 per head per slot, including your fuel and your fooding and with your t-shirts for the uniform, and then our lunch will be provided by our EM Sir Ritesh Singh in Bheloghat Dikrut P, and then like from there we are coming back towards again in the festival ground, and evening hours like we are going to have a short interactions from participants from outside Karbi Anglong. Those are coming from Arunachal and from Nagaland. We are going to have a short interactions, and the last date for the participants to do the registration is on the 14th morning, and evening will be our car postering. That will be done. Our rally is going to start 15 morning 6 a.m. where we have to meeting point will be in the clock tower. And that's it. Thank you.